Welcome to part 2 of We Can Jog. If you haven't listened to the first video of We Can Jog, turn your paper over and scan the number 1 side and listen to that first. To begin, we are going to review our sight words. We're going to play Beat the Teacher. Take a look at our words that we learned in the first part of We Can Jog and say the word before I do. All right, here we go. Ready? Oops, and let me get my cover sheet. Say the word. We. Say the word. He. Say the word. And. Say the word. His. Say the word. Are. Say the word. They. Say the word. Will. Say the word. With. How did you do at your sight words? Hopefully you learned a lot of them the last time. Now we're going to take a look at our decodable words. Remember, we have CVC words that we can sound out. We're going to practice doing these for fluency, so we're going to try to do them nice and quickly. All right, as I point, we'll say the sounds, then we'll blend it together. Say it with me. V, et, vet, g, gum, hum, k, op, cop, f, ox, fox. How did you do at saying the words with me? Let's do some more. P, ot, pot, y, et, yet, t, in, tin, n, it, knit, d, im, dim. Awesome work. Last row. Ready? Here we go. J, ug, jug, at, mat, w, ig, wig, sap, sap, r, egg, reg. Awesome job reading your CVC words. All right, let's take a look at our story. We're going to read the story together to begin. All right, say the words out loud with me. Ready? Here we go. We can jog. Look, there's some CVC words like we just practiced. And there's our sight word. All right, keep reading the words with me for the whole rest of the story. Ready? Here we go. Tom likes to jog. He will jog a lot. Awesome reading, friends. Keep it up. Tom likes to jog with his dog. They will not stop. Tom and his dog jog a lot. They jog in the fog. They will not stop. When you jog, it's like a slow run. And fog is kind of like when there's the clouds down at the ground and it's a little bit cloudy like. Ready? Here we go. They jog by a log. They will not stop. Tom and his dog jog to the top. They do not stop. All right, last page, finish strong. Read out loud with me. Tom and his dog are hot. They will stop. Wonderful choral reading. We read it together. Now I'm going to have you read all the words that are yellow, and I'll read all the words that are in white. So for this page, I would say we, you would say can, and I would say jog. Let's try it. We jog. Good work. Continue reading all of the words in yellow for the whole rest of the book. Tom, to, he, jog, lot. Tom, to, with dog. Will stop. Tom, his jog, lot. Jog, the, they, not. They buy log. Will stop. Tom, his jog, the, they, not. Tom, his, are, they, stop. All right, now that we've read the story, we're going to check our comprehension. Comprehension is understanding what we read. Let's take a look at a couple of questions. Read the first question with me. What does Tom like to do? What does Tom like to do? Say your answer out loud. We can find the answer right in the text. Read it with me. Tom likes to jog. He likes to jog. Let's take a look at the second comprehension question. Read it with me. Who does he jog with? Say your answer out loud. All right, this was all over the story, so I bet you knew it. Read it with me. Tom likes to jog with his dog. He likes to jog with his dog. The answer was right there on page 2. Let's take a look at our last question. Ready? Let's read. Why did they stop? Say your answer out loud. At the very end of the story, it showed why they stopped. Tom and his dog are hot. They stopped because they were hot. Great work. All right, now it's time for the challenge part where we do a little bit of writing. Get this paper out and get out your pencil. Right. We're going to write some CVC words that have 3 letters with a vowel in the middle. Our first word is dog. Write the word dog on this first line. Dog. Dog. Check that you know which way your B's and D's go by using your hands and your strategies. Dog. We can say the sounds in dog to help us write it. D-og. Dog. When I say dog, I hear 3 sounds. I hear a D, that's a D. An A is an O. And a G is a G. Check yours and make sure yours looks the same as mine. Dog. Notice my D has a circle first. D, D, dog. Dog. All right, pause the video one more time. We are going to go on to the second word. So we have dog on our first line. On the second line, write the word top. It's a word from the story. These are all words from our story. Top. Top. They went to the top of the hill. Top. Say the sounds to help you and write a letter for each sound. Top. Let's take a look at the word top. I hear 3 sounds in the word top. T is a T, A is an O, P is a P. Check that yours says top like mine. Check that your P has a line first and then a circle. The pigs dig in the dirt. Top. All right, pause the video for me one more time. We're going to go on to the third line. So we have dog, we have top. Now we're going to write jog. Write jog on the third line. Jog. Jog. Say the sounds to help you. Jog. Jog. All right, let's take a look at how you spell jog. This is the word jog here. I hear three sounds. J is a J, A is an O, and G is a G. Jog. Check the way that I've made my J and see if yours matches, if it's facing the correct way, and check your G as well. Jog. All right, pause the video now if you need to check any of these words. Make sure your D goes all the way to the top of the line and the T goes all the way to the top. Make sure your G goes underneath the line. Same with your P, your J, and your G. All right, pause the video now if you need to correct any of your letters or handwriting. We're going to move down to the star. This is where we're going to write our sentence. Our sentence has 1, 2, 3, 4 words. The sentence is, they are his dogs. Say it with me. They are his dogs. We're going to start with the first words. They are. Write the word they on the first line. Remember, it's a heart word that we've been practicing. They. They. You can say the different sounds and try to remember the heart parts. They. They. It's the beginning of a sentence, so check the first letter and think, should it be uppercase or lowercase if it's starting a sentence? They. So the first word is they. The second word is are. They are. Write the word are here on the second line. Are. Remember, it also has heart parts. We were working on this in our sight words as well. Are. Think of the heart parts and do your best. Are. They are. Are. They are. Pause the video if you need more time. You should have the words they and are written. We're going to finish the sentence. They are his dogs. So we're going to write his on the third line. His. Remember, there's a heart part at the end of the word his. His. They are his. Say the sounds to help you and think about the heart part in the word. His. His. They are his. And on our fourth line, we're going to write the word dogs. 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 Listen to the ending sound and make sure you write that as well. Dogs. For this word, you can say the sounds and write one letter for each sound you hear. Dogs. They are his dogs. Think about what you put at the end of a sentence. There's different options. Think about what you'll use here. They are his dogs. Look at each word. Check yours. This is they. There's a heart part at the beginning and at the end. I used an uppercase or capital letter to begin my sentence. They. Check yours and see if it matches mine. If not, fix it. If it does match, put a check at the top. The next word is are. Are has two heart parts. It's spelled A-R-E. Put a check at the top if you got it, or fix it. His. The S makes the Z sound. Did you remember? And dogs. Pause the video now and check over your work until it's correct. Make